This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making pan-seared chicken bites. We need 1.5 pounds of chicken, a tablespoon of olive oil, a half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, a half a lemon for juice, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. So let's get started. We're going to take our 1.5 pounds of chicken breast and cut them into 1-inch squares. We're going to stick our chicken into a gallon baggie. You can actually put it inside a bowl too. I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to put all these ingredients directly into the gallon baggie. A teaspoon of garlic powder. 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Half a teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of pepper. We're going to cut our lemon in half and remove any seeds. Now we're going to squeeze the juice from half a lemon into our baggie. We're going to close the baggie and combine our ingredients inside it. You want to make sure each piece of chicken is coated. We're going to let this marinate inside the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. We're going to heat our pan over medium-high heat. When you can feel the heat with your hand, you're going to add your chicken. We're going to smooth our chicken evenly across the pan. We're going to cook the chicken on this side for 3 minutes. We're going to turn our pieces of chicken over. We're going to cook our chicken bites for another 3 minutes on this side. Continue to cook your chicken until your chicken is completely white inside and thoroughly cooked. Our chicken is ready to serve. This is a really quick and easy dinner recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.